In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in a LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. This simple yet useful skill can significantly improve the clarity and presentation of your data. Whether you're preparing a report, sharing your spreadsheet with others, or simply want a specific date style, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's start with opening up LibreOffice Calc. To do this, you simply need to double-click the LibreOffice icon on your computer. Once LibreOffice is up and running, you have the choice to work with a new document or an existing one. For this tutorial, let's focus on a Calc spreadsheet. Open it up and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to pinpoint the cell or cells that contain the date you wish to change. Click on the specific cell if you're after just one, or highlight a range if you have multiple dates to format. Having your data selected correctly will make the formatting process smooth and straightforward. With your cells highlighted, you need to bring up the Format Cells menu. It's quite simple. Right-click on any of the selected cells and a menu will appear. From there, you'll want to choose the option labeled Format Cells. This is where the main action happens. You should now see a dialog box pop up. Here, look for the tab titled Numbers and click on it. This section is dedicated to everything involving the numerical representation of data, including dates. In the categories list on the left-hand side, scroll through and select Date. This tells LibreOffice Calc that you wish to modify how dates are displayed. After choosing the Date category, direct your attention to the right side of the window. You'll find a variety of date formats at your disposal. They range from numerical to more descriptive options, such as 12/31, 2025, 31 Asad Veacon Dex Chapter 25, or even December 31st, 2025. Think about how you want your dates to appear, possibly considering the audience or conventions you're most comfortable with. Once you've settled on a format you like, click on it to select it. To finalize and apply your chosen date format, look for the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box and give it a click. With this action, your selected cell or cells will now display the date in the new format you've chosen. Take a moment to glance back at your spreadsheet and admire your handiwork. The dates should now appear just as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully reformatted your dates in LibreOffice Calc. With this newfound knowledge, you can tailor your spreadsheets for readability and professionalism anytime you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been both informative and helpful.